welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. So this tutorial is really intricate, and I tried to do a live video on this, y'all. Y'all know the struggle. If you go on my page, you will see like 3 lives that are up of me trying to actually do a tutorial on this, baby. I'm not even gonna get into that because even if I did do a tutorial, it was gonna be hella long because I just now finished this and it is 5 o'clock. Okay, I don't know what's up with me and starting late with these tutorials, but I need to get it together. Okay, and I'm trying to do these intricate looks. Like, baby, we don't have time for that. We got time to go to sleep, for real. Before we get into this video is sponsored by Dossier perfumes, y'all. I know I don't talk about perfumes a lot on this channel, but they sponsored the video. They actually sent me over 2 boxes of fragrance. Are a company that sells basically I'm not gonna say knockoff because that's like kind of harsh. They sell perfume of your favorite scents, but it's actually, I think it's actually better than your favorite scent because when I smelled the one that they sent me, so they sent me both of the same fragrances. We're gonna get into it later, but they sent me both of the same fragrances, so I might probably do a giveaway or something on the second one. I'm going to some of these stores and smell the real thing. It don't really smell as pleasing as it would be as replicas of the fragrance. Smells a little bit better than the original fragrance. So this one right here, they sent me 2 of these. This is inspired by YSL Black Opium. It smells so good, y'all. So good. I really love the smell of this perfume. I do actually have it on right now. Let's get into it. This perfume was made in France. It's vegan and cruelty free. Main ingredients, y'all, in this perfume. That's probably why it smells so good. Better than the perfumes that be in your local store. And it's a risk free when you order. This is how the box looks, y'all. It comes like this. It has Dossier on in the front of the box. I'm going to tell you how this order works if you are looking to buy a perfume. And they have so many scents that you can choose from. It's crazy. I'm telling you, get your hands on this. This box, I was just telling you all that this box has a sample. So when you open this box up, you are going to get a sample on the side and a big one. So the sample is for you to basically test it out. So when you sniff it or, you know, wear it to see how long it lasts. If you don't like the fragrance, you can actually keep the sample that you get in the box and return it with the full-size bottle and you get a full refund. How cool is that, y'all? Let's get into what this perfume smells like. As you can see, I've been using it a lot. Like, I spray a lot. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how much is going? Crazy. The top is magnetic, y'all, so it snaps on like that, which is pretty cool. And I love how it's in this glass bottle. You can put this actually on your vanity if you want to. Actually, the inspiration of this perfume, this one smells so much better than the original one. I'm sorry, it does. Tell you what this perfume has in it. It has mandarin, pears, pink pepper, jasmine, orange blossom, cedarwood. I don't know this. It's this where I'm gonna put it on the screen. Vanilla and coffee is in this perfume. The price points on these things are amazing, y'all. This one is $29. Their mission is to give you quality perfume. Check them out in the description below. I don't want to keep y'all long for this video, so we're gonna go right into this video. So I already prepped my brows. Well, not prepped, but like I shaved and plucked my brows. It's a new way that I do my brows, y'all, and I'm going to show y'all. So with that being said, I did go ahead and I took off the oils on my brows. A new brow stuff on the market called Patric, y'all, and it's like this. It's like brow soap, but so far this is the best thing that I came across. If you look for that bushy brow look, y'all, this is my new routine. It's just like something I love to do. So yeah, I'm going to get some Fix Plus spray. Spray this with Fix Plus spray to push this up. Mommy. Yes, I see you. And this way right here, it makes it look more fuller. And I heard soap is really good too. If you can't get the Patric tie, yeah, I think it's too expensive. Get y'all a bar of soap or get y'all some gas to be glue. Alright, so before I fill them in, I want to tell y'all something. So when y'all put the soap in and get y'all brows exactly like this up, what you're going to do is you're going to take the back of this and you're going to laminate it like to your face, basically. Like plastered to your face. So this is what you call the fluffy brow, y'all. Come back when it's time to fill them in. I am going to add powder to them as well. So right here we have Ebony, and then we have chocolate. I'm definitely going to use Ebony on the ends and then chocolate in the front, just to give me that ombre brow. So this is how your brow should look. You see how your brow is spiked up. Don't worry about the brow being too big, okay, versus from this brow. Ebony on this side, and we're going to put this on the back of our hands. And I like to go halfway with the darker shade. But yeah, you see how you have to go bigger because your brows are bigger. These more fluffy sculpted brow. I like sculpted brows. Anyways, this is the brow, the fluffy sculpted brow. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and it's ready when we're ready for that look. So I'm kind of going up with this. But I'll take my time when I'm packing this on. I'm not gonna swipe or anything. You gotta pack that shadow on, be precise with it. Don't just be sloppy. Cause this one looks like black, but I'm mixing it with this to make it a little bit more lighter. And I'm going right on top of that black shadow before I put this yellow. Take this yellow right here. Definitely. And some people probably think too that it might mess up their reputation or something. Like, baby, if you in like a high core, oh, do y'all see that yellow? I'm gonna take my Born This Way foundation in the shade Honey and also Butterscotch and also Sable. Okay, that's gonna be my new favorite artist, bitch, because she going hard. Chanel, it's foundation, but got this silk compact. Alright, so we're going to under eye. I'm gonna find a yellow to put under my eyes. I do have a pastel yellow here. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Under the eye. And I'm connecting it with so I'm gonna add white gold. Honestly. Brown and a little bit of palette is giving me life. Okay. KKW Beauty lip liner, y'all. I'm gonna take Naked. I got one. I swear I saw it in the stores and I was like, okay, this look bomb. But I already got one up there already, like, so. The only thing with this, it's not really, it's not a nude one. I did pick up a new lip gloss from Patric right here, and it's in the shade She's Expensive. It's so pretty. I'll be right back, y'all. I'll see y'all in the Thanks so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And tell me what you think about this eye look. Did y'all like this eye look? I really think it came out so pretty. Share this to your friends. And I'll see you guys on the next video.